All right, so change of plans. Since the hurricane is coming, we're gonna go ahead and put up a temporary power pole instead of hooking up to regular power because we can't get the ditch dug or get the box completed without the rain interfering. So we're gonna put up this temporary power pole, and then we'll be able to get at least some electricity out here tomorrow. So we got this temporary pole right here that I'm borrowing from my neighbor and his trailer as well. So appreciate it, Danny. And we'll throw this down. We got the post hole digger. We'll go ahead and dig a 4-foot hole and then throw that bad boy in there, and it should be good for tomorrow. All right, it's hot outside. I take a little break, get some water. So far, we probably, I don't know, what is that, maybe 3 feet? I can measure it right quick. But these post hole diggers help out a whole lot. Not digging no extra. Let's see. Oh man, right now we at 31, 32 inches. So we got a little bit more to go. We'll make it. We got the hole dug. We're about to put this pole in there. What I'm thinking is we're gonna tailor right here, this part right here, and we'll line it up somewhere around. We'll line it up somewhere around right here, maybe right here, and then that'll help us get a little bit of an angle on the pole to get it popped up in there. pretty close. Not perfect, but it'll work.
Perfect. Perfect.
figured out after our first attempt. Our angle, we dug out this portion over here at an angle. It's probably about maybe a 3-foot drop right there. Then down to the hole at the. All right, so we refined our pole mounting procedure. We got a nice little angle in there. We dug it out even more. We got the pole lined up, and we're about to see if we could get this on the second attempt. Backfill it, then we should be done.
Perfect.
All right, so we got it in there. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, Daniel? I think it looks pretty good. Oh man, it was rough though. If y'all ever trying to do something like this, make sure you get that angle. All about them angles. That's about it for today. We're gonna go ahead and clean up, pack up, and roll out to get ahead of the storm. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it if you like, subscribe, follow our channel, and watch us continue to grow our homestead. Peace.